Hey guys, today I have a Kenmore washer and electric dryer, and we've got the washer set up right now going on ultra clean, which is a heavy duty cycle. You get to control how fast it agitates, how fast the drum spins on the rinse spin and the final spin, second rinse option, tons of options for the water temperature, and you actually get to control the water level. So I've got it set full blast, pretty heavy towel load in here, and it's filling up with water right now. This is the fourth load that I've put through these machines, and I'm going to show you that everything on them is working perfect. So this is about its heavy dutiest setting, and once it's all the way full, I'll show you that it agitates correctly, drains the water out like it's supposed to, and has a nice fast smooth final spin cycle. And then when it's all done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and show you that the dryer is working perfectly. So we'll let that fill all the way up. It's almost there now, but we'll let it fill all the way up and then we'll come back. All right, so it's filled all the way up and now it's switched over and it is agitating. You see it doing an awesome job with that two-part agitator, vortexing those clothes down the middle. And this is the direct drive style washer where the clothes get really clean. So we'll go ahead and let it move through this cycle. We'll come back and show you once it's draining the water out. All right, switched over to draining the water out. Draining that water out nice and fast. I'm not going to lift the lid up. That would interrupt this thing's neutral cycle that allows it to drain the water out. Then it kicks in, spins the water out. Next, it's going to fill all the way back up with fresh water. Rinse those clothes, and then we'll be spinning out on the final spin cycle, which is what I'll come back for next to show you that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All right, we're moving into the final spin. As it's getting started here, it's going to spin faster and faster as the clothes get lighter and lighter, but it should be up to pretty good speed. Now what I'm going to do is lift the lid up, then you'll be able to see that it's spinning nice and fast. Of course, the lid switch will kick in and shut it down, but before it does, you'll be able to see spinning nice and fast. And from the outside here, you can see smooth operation. And here we go. Lift that up. See, it's spinning super fast, shuts it down, so we'll let that kick back up to speed now. And once it's done, we'll move on over to the dryer. All right, so we've got that washer clean, cleared out. It's done and good to go. Now we come over here. This is actually a Whirlpool electric dryer, so it's not a matching set. However, as big a load as you can do in the washer, you're going to be able to dry in here, no problem. I'll show you that pretty good size towel load in this looks small in this dryer. So heavy duty, super capacity plus, and I believe the king size capacity. So this is one step up, which is perfect because you can always dry more clothes than you can wash in a matching set at the same capacity. So this will work out great here. You've got time dry, a super delicate no heat air fluff type cycle here. Then you have auto dry, which is kind of set it and forget it with a wrinkle prevent. And you can control how hot you want it to be. Then you also have a cycle signal switch. So you get to control quite a bit on here. Right here is that lint trap. So you'll make sure that gets cleaned out for each and every load. And then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Now I don't have the vent hose on the back of the dryer, so you can hear that blower motor a little bit. I also have air conditioner going out here, but otherwise it's relatively quiet. Nice smooth operation, and we'll open it up here. You see everything's tumbling like it's supposed to. Still plenty of room. Nice and hot coming out of that heating element tube, so the heating element's kind of back behind here. It sucks the air in, heats it over the coil, shoots it out inside with the clothes, dries everything, and exits right there, which is where the lint trap catches the air, and it goes down and out the back of your dryer where you'd hook that vent hose up. But nice bright light. We just hit go. And that's going to do it for this set, so I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.